How to fix something went wrong, please try again problem in Instagram. Hey everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So sometimes this problem might have occurred because of the server problem. If the problem is with server, you can not do anything but wait. But the next cause of the problem could be your version of Instagram. So make sure you have the latest version, simply head over to your Play Store or your App Store and then search for Instagram and see if there is an update button instead of this open button. If you have the update button, simply tap on update and update it to its latest version. The next step is to tap and hold the Instagram application. Then tap on this app info. Then on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.